Hey folks, I bought this ZWO EOS ring. This is the ring that I bought. So the way it works is this part goes into the camera, into the ZWO camera, and this part goes to the ZWO side, and this is the one that you're supposed to mount on your camera lens. Install it quite easily like this, right? The problem I have is I can't take it out, this one. So this one comes apart completely, but this one doesn't come. So I called High Point Scientific and I asked them like what's going on, and they said like you need to press this. I kept pressing this one, but this never comes out. There is no play to it, right? So after calling them and researching a little bit, you need to use this button. Make sure it is little out, not like all the way in, okay? And then the way you do is you hold it with one finger or one hand and you push it upwards, right, like this. It comes out. It's pretty difficult. All you're doing is pushing this up like a little thing like this. It won't show anywhere. And then while you're pushing this like button, you're also like pulling it out. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.